So, Molly's laying under the desk, wondering, what are we going to do today, Dad? And I said, hey, Molly, why don't we go for a hike? No, not a good idea. Well, we're going anyway.